my Wi-Fi is kind of bad. So let's add this PCIe Gen 3 Wi-Fi adapter to my PC. Yo, by the way, this Wi-Fi card also has Bluetooth. My old one didn't, because I ordered the one without Bluetooth, just Wi-Fi 6. Okay, well, why am I doing this? I am doing this because my motherboard has two M.2 slots, and one was occupied by my Wi-Fi card adapter, M.2 adapter. I'm trying to free that up to add more storage, so I have two M.2 1TB SSDs, so I can get Mac OS on my PC, Windows PC. Yeah, you get a like a connector, I guess. Don't know. And in the main one, you get just a piece. That's it. Okay, this is what it looks like. And then this will go into this port like this, and this port will go into my motherboard. Firstly, we need to clean it, or the power supply. Anyway. Okay, firstly, I need to take the graphics card out because I'm taking the Wi-Fi card out from the M.2 SSD. Wait, no, the what is it? SSD slot. Boom! Looks so sexy, like my GPU. Okay. Put it right there. I'm cleaning it later. Alright, motherboard. Let's take this nut out, and let's take the whole module out, disconnecting the antennas. I'm probably not gonna have any use for the antennas anymore, but you never know. Reminder. Disconnect the antennas and slide this out. Okay, I'm currently wearing slippers right now because static electricity. I don't know what I'm doing with that. And then now it should go like this, right? Yes. So I need to remove. Let's put it at the edge, like here. Okay, I remove one. Let's see if it fits. Like, it's too long, bro. Hold up. Let's get rid of the antennas. Number 2. Hey. Hey, wait. Hey, come on. Where's the nut? Is there a nut? I didn't get a nut. Okay, well. I didn't get a nut, man. Where's the nut? Okay, well, I got scammed. I think I have to keep it like this because in my motherboard, I can't put it behind the GPU directly because of my GPU, because I don't have two slots, and this goes backwards, not up. So I have to keep it like that. So when my PC's up, the antennas are gonna be pointing down instead of up. I'm an idiot. You can turn these around. I found an old nut, but it's still like kind of wiggly. So yeah, I kind of stripped the nut, like stripped the screw hole for the nut. That's why. I almost forgot about this cable right here. I don't know where it goes. Okay, the white part goes in here, and then this one probably goes like into like a USB header. Hey, this might be for Ethernet, low key. Nah. The white port on that cable goes in here, and then the big 9-pin connector goes into a 9-pin connector in my motherboard. And I currently I have two, but they're all occupied by a USB-C connector and a USB 2.0 USB Type A connector. So I've decided I'm gonna order a splitter, and I'm gonna disconnect this USB Type C port for now. And let's just plug this in. It's gonna come on Sunday, so everything is in nicely. And now let's turn this thing on with everything plugged in. Alright, let's go install our drivers for my mom's laptop. Oh wait, I have a MacBook. What am I doing? What? Let's go. I stole this USB from engineering, like the department in school. 34 gigs or 30 gigs. Big ass drive. Look at these great shots, right? You guys could never. Mercusis.com. Product number. Okay, AXE5400. Okay, it is the MA86XE. This one. Support. Here we go. Product version V1. Dataset, manual guide, installation guide, software. Okay, there we go. There's my USB. One-handed. Yes. Board. Does recognize. Wait, let me delete everything there. Allow. Okay, it's copying. Okay, alright. Now let's turn this on. Okay, go here. Go here. Wi-Fi. Okay, let's install the Wi-Fi first. Sure, I need to get a better mic, bro. Or I need to fix something. Cause why is it echoing twice? Setup, maybe? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Nope. Any instructions? Nope. Setup. Yes. Yes! Oh my god, it detects. It detects. Oh my god. Now, Bluetooth. Oh my god. Wait, where's my 5G?
Wi-Fi, we got and Bluetooth. I didn't have Bluetooth before because my Wi-Fi card, like the actual physical thing, didn't have a. It was just Wi-Fi 6E. Wait, so this means. Wait. That device. Oh my god. Let's go! Yes. Let's see the upload and download speeds. Speed test. If I block it. It's not bad. That is my like provider's upload and download speeds. Yeah. Yeah, okay. That's good. Okay. Now I can just finish this. Let's go. Hell yeah, man. Perfect installation.